Hello guys, welcome back to Foodright Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make oven chicken kebab, so please stay tuned. You will need chicken breast, garlic, ginger, turmeric, spring onion, red and green chili, Maggi, salt, olive oil, and baconite sauce for the marinating. Then you slice the chicken breast the way you're seeing it in this video. So then you cut the spring onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric and chili pepper, and pour it in the blender and put a little water and blend them together. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like after you finish blending it. Make sure it's well blended. Then you pour it into the sliced chicken breast. Add Maggi, then you add the olive oil. Also add the baconite sauce and salt. Then you crunch the Maggi and mix it really well so that the sauce will penetrate into the chicken breast. And after mixing it together, then you cover it with a cling film and store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. It depends on how you want it, but for this video I did it for 3 hours. So this is the marinade chicken breast. It stayed in the fridge for 3 good hours. So you will need skewer stick, pastry cutter, non-stick paper or foil paper, and a tray to grill the kebab. And centralize the pastry cutter in the middle of the tray. So now start inserting the marinade chicken breast into the stick, and make sure you're inserting it one at a time until you get to the top of the stick. If you guys notice, I was a little bit struggling inserting the chicken in the stick. They were falling off, and this is because there is no much chicken on the bottom, but as I was inserting it to the top, then it becomes stable. So if you want to try this at home, don't think it's not going to work. It will definitely work. You just need to keep adding chicken until you get to the top. So set the oven to 45 minutes or to 50 minutes to cook, and at 200 degrees. So for the stir fry, you will need red, green and yellow pepper, also mushroom, onion. Add some olive oil into the fried pan and leave it to heat up for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you add the onion to fry also just for a few seconds. Then you add the mushroom, then you add the chopped pepper. Also you can add a little salt, or if you want Maggi in it, you can add half Maggi or 1 whole Maggi. That's a Maggi cube. Then you stir it until it gets brown or caramelized. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the stir fried pepper and also the chicken kebab. As you can see, it's looking tantalizing. So you can serve it with either rice or wrap or anything of your choice. If you guys notice, I added 2 more sticks to the chicken. This is just to hold it more firmer. So if you want to make this delicious chicken kebab, you can find the ingredients and the measurement in the description box below. So guys, we've come to the end of the video now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for staying in tune. See you again. Bye bye.